What is up, you guys? I am back again and finally able to get to this unboxing. I have another Lattafa Khamrah. This one is the Qahwa edition. I've done a review on the original Lattafa Khamrah and an update on that first Lattafa Khamrah. Maybe I should just do a video on that, but I'm gonna tell you right now, I get mad compliments off of the original scent profile. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. With this Lattafa Khamrah Qahwa, the color's different on the box. Same finish, same concept as the original Lattafa Khamrah. That box was black. This one's more brown. It's got the synthetic leather type finish, very sleek. Got the wood base or synthetic wood base. It's pretty cool. Go and open it up. I can imagine what's on the inside, just like the original Lattafa. Okay, that's crazy that this came out like that, but still a beautiful box. Still a beautiful box, man. And I'll probably keep it with the rest of them. So, same bottle design. Same bottle design. Let's go ahead and open this up and do a few sprays for you. I'll show you the atomizer. You can hear it, man. It's powerful. It's consistent. Let's see what this has to offer. I love this bottle. I love the color. Oh God. Ooh. Oh my God. This is so sweet, man. Just the sweetness just it hits you so hard, but it's in a good way, man. So in this fragrance, there's cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, there's praline, candied fruits, white flower, there's coffee, vanilla, tonka bean, benzoin, and musk. I definitely smell the vanilla, the tonka bean, the coffee, the praline. The praline, I think, is where the majority of the sweetness comes from, and the candied fruits. You definitely smell a hint of cinnamon in here. But I you know what? I tell you what, if I get the way I get compliments on that first Lattafa Khamrah, and with the way this Lattafa Khamrah Qahwa smells, I'm predicting that I'm going to get around the same type of turnout as far as the compliment factor, as well as this smells so good. That's all I gotta say. Lattafa Khamrah did not disappoint with this fragrance. This is the second one I've purchased. I have the first original scent, Lattafa Khamrah. This is the Lattafa Qahwa. So, I definitely recommend this for sure. This will be in my rotation very frequently. So yeah, go cop you some.